It's important to them, okay? Something is important to them. Ultimately, they plan to make profit. They plan to make money, right? What's up, y'all? Fly morning. Welcome back to a new video. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Photography by Dash. My goal is to share my viewpoint and experience as a photographer and a visual creator, okay? If you feel like that is for you, consider hanging out and consider subscribing, okay? But today, we're gonna talk about 2 reasons why you should always get paid for your work. 2 reasons why you should always charge, okay? Now, over the course of time and from my experience, I came to the realization that there's 2 reasons why people come to me for work. 2 reasons why people come to me for my service. Number 1, it's important to them, okay? Something is important to them. Something is near and dear to their heart. Now, that can be a wedding, sweet 16, birthday, capturing moments of some sort, something to that nature, right? Something that is important to the client. Secondly, another reason why people come to me for my service is ultimately they plan to make profit. They plan to make money, right? Now, this can be product photography. This can be small business, clothing line. This can be headshots, music artists, a company coming for social media content. Think about those things, right? An actor goes for headshots to ultimately land a gig, to ultimately put themselves in a position that changes their life, right? Same for a music artist. A music artist shoots a video. They need this content to ultimately gain the traction, to put themselves in a position to make profit, to ultimately make money, to change their lives, right? And so on and so forth. So these are 2 reasons why people would come to you for your service. And my opinion is that for either or, I deserve to be compensated. You deserve to be compensated, and compensated at my rate. If something is important to a person, they should pay for it. They would pay for it. If a person plans to make profit from what you guys create together, then you deserve to be compensated, right? That makes sense. It just makes sense. Now, that's just something that I came to the realization of, and that's something that I factor in moving forward and work in each inquiry. Okay, what does whatever it is that we're creating, what does it mean to the client, and what do they stand to gain from whatever it is that we're creating? Once again, is it something that's important to them? If it's important enough, they will pay, and they will pay my rate, right? Otherwise, I'm not the creator for them. There's plenty of people out there. I'm just not the person to create this and capture this. And also, what's the ultimate goal here? Do they plan to make profit in the long run from whatever it is that we're creating? If so, then I definitely deserve to be compensated. You definitely deserve to be compensated at your rate, all right? Now, I'm not going to discuss rates and how to compensate. I just wanted to keep this video simple. You'll learn that over the course of time and experience and figure out what you're worth. But you should never work for free. Even when you're starting out, just build your skill set, get great at what you're doing, find yourself as a creator, as a visual creator, freelancer, whatever it is, and start to charge accordingly, all right? Now, this is something that was on my mind. I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts on this concept. Let me know your thoughts on this topic. 2 reasons why you should always get paid for your work. 2 reasons why you should always charge. If you're a newcomer, consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, I will see you guys at the next video.